Hey. Ewo. Keketi, kekere. Ewo. Uwo. Igwes. Hey. Ija. Konja. Hey. Can you see? You know what is here? Hey, 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 hey. I want to dance this dance. Wait, how will I dance this dance? This one is like, you know, catch him. Hey, let me start all over again. Get it, get it. Hey, guys, you know what is there? Hey, hey, papari, chakalinja. Hey, get it, guys. Let's see. Hey, this does not reach this for what I have here. Guys, let's see. Small dance, I don't tire. Let's see. What is here? What is there? Guys, no look this bag, say they're small. No look them, say they're small. Do you know what is inside? Don't look at them as small bags. You say because of these two bags. What is inside, Seth? Are you ready to know? Sit down. Let me show you inside. Let me show you what is inside. Now you will agree with me that it's what I said. By the time you see what is inside, you will agree with me that the dance not even reach anywhere. Are you ready to see? Chilele. Unboxing. I don't want to put this bag on the table. Now wait, what is it? Now what's in the inside? You want me for table? My glasses. Why are you always for me? Are you ready to? Ready? Guys, see, bag number 1. You know what is this? Relax. Sachet number 2. Sit down. Don't move. We are just beginning. We are just what? Beginning. I've removed the first bag. This is the next one. That's what we call apadi apanime. No, it's not just apadi apanime. Oh, we have seen apa. We have seen apadi apanime. Now we are going to see apadi apanime. If you're an Igbo, you will understand what I'm talking about. This is sachet number 3. And sachet number 4. It's like we dance again. Are you tired of dancing? We dance again. And this one is another small one. This one is a different thing altogether. So guys, let's see what we have inside these ones, guys. You can't believe that I have, these are fish, dried fish. 4 sachets of dry fish from Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. From Obodom. That is there. Look at fish now. See fish. Eh? You don't see fish, so these are fish. This is what you call azu. Azu. I bring everything, but thank you for watching. Let me show you. These are fish. Are you not attracted to eating? I have all these here. You know what that means? You know what that means? I have all these here. Wah, wah. Yeah, wah, wah, wah. Guys, I'm happy. This fish, they came from Nigeria. Because I'm going to be taking them small for my soup. Hey! So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to go and follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, the same name, our channel TV. Love you.